Frustrated with your Canon EOS RP acting up? A reset might be just the trick to get it back on track. First, power on your Canon EOS RP, then press the menu button, typically located on the top left of the camera's back panel. This will bring up the main menu on the LCD screen. Now, navigate through the menu tabs using the directional buttons on the back of the camera. You're looking for the setup menu, often represented by a wrench or tool icon. It's usually located on the far right side of the menu options. Once you've entered the setup menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Clear All Camera Settings, Reset Camera, or something similar, indicating a reset function. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your firmware version. Select the Clear All Camera Settings option and press the Set button. Typically located in the center of the directional buttons, a confirmation message will appear on the screen, asking if you are sure you want to proceed with the reset. Carefully read the message, as this action will erase all your custom settings and revert the camera to its factory defaults. If you're ready to proceed, select OK or Yes and press the Set button again. The camera will now begin the reset process. Once completed, your Canon EOS RP will restart and display the initial setup screen, just like when you first took it out of the box, and that's it. You've successfully reset your Canon EOS RP. Now, you can reconfigure your settings and get back to capturing amazing photos.